Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited to share with you Google brand new feature called is Google Banana, which work inside Google Studio AI. So guys, this is the amazing part. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You just type in what you want to like, change the background, remove this object and make it more professional, and Google Banana does the magic for you in a seconds. So guys, for e-commerce and online business owners, this is a real money saver. You don't need to spend hundred of products, photography or editing. You can create high quality professional images yourself and keep your brand consistent. And it is your content creator or YouTuber like me. So it is a game changer for making thumbnails, posters and creative edits quickly and easily. So guys, keep watching this video step by step carefully. And now guys, you don't need to create a special account of Google Banana. Google has added this feature within the Google AI Studio. You can see this feature, you can see appears on screen, Google Banana. So how can I use this feature? Simply click on it. So now click on plus icon. Here is now upload file. Now I want to uploading these two pictures. This is my picture and this is Imran Khan picture. You can see now guys, I am adding the prompt. So here is I am adding, you can read it. There is a new picture in it and now of Imran Khan. Make me it sit together like we are both having a meeting. After that click on run. Now wait a few seconds. Now you can see image has been created. Now I am downloading and now you can see here is I'm opening and you can see what kind of amazing pictures came about in a very short time. You can zoom it. This look like is original or a real image. So cross this. Now I am creating another picture. Now guys, click on chat again and you can open new chat. And now I am writing Imran Khan is reading a book. After that click on run. Wait for a few seconds and you can see image has been created. Now downloaded. Now open it. You can see appears on screen. This look like original image. Imran Khan is reading a book. You can see appears on screen. So friends, if you want to create a use of address for e-commerce, how to do about this? So I am adding this my image. Now I am adding change the cloth and add black cloth. After that click on run prompt. So guys, image has been created. You can see look like is original. This is my before adding the prompt. My cloth has been blue. Now opening, you can see look like is original. My cloth has been changed. You can see appears on screen. You can use in e-commerce products. You don't need to pay designers and for promotional adding. This is an amazing picture. You can see appears on screen. I hope this video helpful for you. You can use Google Banana for free. I hope this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.